Okay, so this is supposed to be the square root. Let me draw it so that's the square root. Okay, so the standard deviation of ungrouped data is given by the summation. So summation basically means adding up x minus x bar squared, all this divided by n. Now, the best way to actually do it and explain it is through an example. So let's say you're told to determine the standard deviation, determine standard deviation of the data set is 5, 6, 8, 4, 10, 3. So what's going to be the standard deviation of this? Now, as you can see here, it is given as x minus x bar. X bar basically Oops, sorry guys. Sorry, so I was explaining how you get the standard deviation of ungrouped data. And to determine the standard deviation, this is summation x minus x bar squared over n. So what this means basically is you're going to get x minus x bar, and x bar is the mean. So I came here and evaluated the mean. The mean is 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 10 plus 3 divided by 6. After getting the value for the mean, then I'm going to take each data set and subtract the mean. So you see 5 minus 6, the next data set is 6, 6 minus 6, the next data set is 8, and so on. Subtract all this and square them. Are we together? Then sum it all up. So add them all up. So that's what I have done. And adding all this up, we get 34. The formula says you take the summation of x minus x bar squared, and then you divide by n. So the summation of x minus x bar squared, if you subtract this and square each term and then add it all up, you get 34. So 34 divided by n, our n is the number of data sets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divide by 6 and then get the square root. So this gives you 2.380 as the standard deviation. I hope you guys can be able to hear me now. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you get standard deviation of ungrouped data. That's how you get standard deviation of ungrouped data. I hope that's clear. Is there any question on that? If there's any question, kindly let me know.
Not clear.
Not clear. Okay, let me go over it again. So let me just wrap the whole of it and then we start again on how exactly we get the standard deviation. Because my audio was muted for a very long, I didn't know I was on mute. So I just discovered when you guys told me in the comments.